Hello, my name is Himank, and I go to Inglemoor High School currently. And so the project I chose was the chess clock, and the reason behind why I chose the chess clock was due because I'm a really big fan of chess, and it's a good hobby that I enjoy, and I play it usually. So I thought choosing this based off my interests would be good. So here's my chess clock right now. My little chess timers. This is a 7 segment displays, and then I have two tiny buttons right here. So if I click on one of these buttons, it activates the other timer, just like a normal chess clock. And here's my buzzer. So if a person ever runs out of time, this thing will just go off. So this project is an Arduino dual timer, which is basically a chess clock, which uses a rotary encoder and two 4-digit 7 segment displays, which shows the times of the two players and two buttons to push on the timer. So the Arduino Uno manages the timers displaying on the countdowns to their respective displays, which switches between the two timers based on the button presses. And as the timer runs out, the buzzer signals the end of the countdown. So the whole part of this project was building, and after the building, the code to understand how there are many different states of the clock, such as state 0 when there's a default state, the timer settings are displayed, and all the other cases, such as setting the minutes for the first timer using the rotary encoder, and then setting the minutes for the second timer, and what happens if the first timer runs out, the buzzer sound, the timeouts, and all of that information. So 5 challenges which I faced was first building it, having the resources, and also then connecting the wires, and then also connecting some of the wrong wires related to my 7 segment displays to the correct slots in the Arduino Uno board, and also connecting the buttons, since I had to rotate one of my buttons since it was placed at the wrong spot. And what I plan to do next is implement increments. So after each click, I want there to be maybe an increment on the chess clock timer. Thank you for listening.